or the Spring Water Festival at Mineral Spring Park. That's what it is. So currently I am in Citra, Florida, heading north on 301, and she's doing better. Miss Gertie here is doing better. She's not 100% yet, but I guess this is her official maiden voyage. And as you can see, I have some things hung up in the back, but fingers crossed right now, guys. I really need to get there, so we're going to see what happens. I'll keep you posted, so stay tuned. Okay, we are in Georgia. I have less than 300 miles to go to get to Williamston, South Carolina, and I just filled up and I gained 3 miles to the gallon since the last time I filled up. Probably because it's highway miles and not city miles, so that's a positive thing. Hopefully my next stop will be Augusta, Georgia. So we will see you there, guys. All right. We are 120 miles away from where my destination is. Woohoo! Still in Georgia. but I see mountains, which I am going to video until you see mountains also, because right now you can't see the mountain that I just saw. So, well, here we are, the Mineral Spring Park in Williamston, South Carolina. I made it. I made it. I got here about 8:30 last night, and yeah. This morning, the van did not want to start. It was kind of funny. It was like, do you know what you put me through yesterday? I'm sleeping in this morning. I am not starting yet. I'm not ready for this. But yes. Good morning. Woo! Oh my gosh, I got paint on my face. Well, that's a little better. Wow, I didn't even know that was there. Okay, so here we are. I am actually just outside of Augusta, Georgia, heading south back to Florida from the Spring Water Festival in Williamston, South Carolina. So, yes, Gertie is still going strong. And we're just trucking along, guys. So, stay tuned. This weekend was decent, except that it rained, so that hurt sales. But what are you going to do, right? You can't do anything about that. So I have pictures that I'm going to put in here and video and stuff. Well, no, I already put the video in. But I got pictures and stuff from the Mineral Spring Park up there, and yeah. So sorry. My thingy doesn't want to sit right. So, alright guys, we will see you soon. Stay tuned.